as well.
Where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrick, roger up.
Go for Garrick.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attackers. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, Crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it.
Let's get it done, yeah?
Hey, firm.
Sergeant? Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven. White van, multiple military-age males. Weapons visible. Moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side. Go, go!
Here! Come here! Go! Don't fucking move! Police! Freeze! Get your hands up now! Get down on the ground! Make Not gonna tell you to get off!
Suspect.
Gun! Fuck! Brooks got it! Fucking got it!
Saber 2, what the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired. Officers down. We need medical down here now.
Fucking hell, Kyle. They get your hurt.
Not done yet. Let's move.
Underway in Piccadilly Circus. Multiple IC-1 shooters on site.
Left or right, Sergeant?
They're firing on civilians!
Has brought nothing but death to our land. Don't do this!
Stop!
Just stay down. Stay here. Yeah, get these people safe.
Yes, sir!
Civilians are in the area. They're firing rockets to the roof of the Tanto building! Breaking up! Move it! Including bloody rockets in it! Get them flying now! Where are they firing from? Snipers in the bookshop! Guys! Second floor! Enemy smoke fire to the south. Repeat, friendly fire to the bookshop, south of the main circle. All units, suspects are cornered in the Tanto building. There's a possible hostage situation. Hold at the perimeter. All units, urgent assistance, shots fired. Multiple casualties. At least 4 suspects.
This is Saber 2, bookshop secure.
In the vicinity. Flashing weapon! Now! Alpha Whiskey 1609 over! Unit calling! Hold back! Hold back! Existing RV, stay firm. I'd like an additional RV set up north of Austin Circus. Trojan 99. We have 1 unit to the 2 existing RVs carrying on. And 1 to the vicinity north of Austin Circus. And rest of units to the last vicinity of the unit. Soho and Regent Street moving north. Over.
Raven, this is Saber 2. Where's the bloody army?
2-6. Army assault team has been deployed. No ETA at this time.
Let's move.
Oh, fucking hell!
Are you good?
Yeah!
Alpha Whiskey 2 from Trojan 1. Secondary detonation in the cabin.
They're falling back to the Tanto building.
Make control. Secondary detonation.
Raven, Saber 2, officers down outside the Tanto building. Officers down!
Bloody hell! What is the status on the hostages?
Blue!
I see you. You armed up?
Yes, sir.
Captain Price,
Sergeant Garrick.
you with me? Check those corners.
Up here!
Hostages, up top.
Help! Help! Get it off me! Please, get it off me!
Sergeant, I need you over here.
Help me! Help me, I'm not one of them! I don't want to die. I want to go home.
Look,
I want
open!
to see my family. I want to see.
Can you help him?
I'm trying.
Let me see my girl!
It's going off.
I can't get it.
No time!
Help me! Help me! Wait! What are you doing? No! No!
All stations. Bomb is clear. Prep medical, we're coming out. Hey, everybody, stay calm. We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good.
Let's go. You saved lives today, Sergeant.
It shouldn't have happened in the first place, sir. They sent us in half-assed. So everyone can just keep pretending we're not at war.
Yeah, like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves off and fight. Sir.
Go on.
We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. My men were tracking that cell for weeks.
You had actionable intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
Okay, Garrett. You're with me.